So for this third edition, like the previous ones, we have different conferences from the academia and from the biotech to show how to bring a product from the bench to the patient. These days are also open to companies from different areas. We have B2B meetings to connect together, and this is also open to students to open this world to them, to show them what are the next innovations.
The agenda was very interesting to me. I think the first day regarding all the talks on the secretome, I don't think that probably I've seen as many experts in one room about the secretome at one time as I did, at this meeting.
People have time to present their data. There is time to discuss. It's not always the case. If you have a lot of very short presentations, you cannot really get a sense of what's coming out, and this is not the case here.
This is certainly a mixed with a preclinical, clinical, and also different field, and very interesting. So people attend this conference will know how other people been doing. So like this morning, I listened to people, how the new technology for heart failure, how you do the muscle atrophy, all those fields, even though may not be exactly my field, but I learned a lot, inspired by those new technology.
In the landscape of innovative therapies, Besançon has certainly all the reasons to be among the leaders.
I know that Besançon is becoming a hub for cell therapies. We are so different players that are involved in CAR T-cell field, but also in cell therapy field. There is the blood transfusion center that is leading a lot of projects around the cell therapy.
If you look at the cluster and the number of companies and the interactions between the companies and the academic world and the hospital world, I would not say first place in Europe. I don't think there is any first place in Europe, but at least among the leaders.
I think the exhibitor village is well organized and also nicely done in this space, which is just naturally intimate, so you can have the chance to go in the same area between the breaks of the talk and interact and exchange some words with all the participants.
I thought this meeting was fantastic. I thought the ability to interact with people was great. I met a lot of new people, which is fantastic. We'll be communicating, obviously in the future, which is good. And this is a great meeting, and I look forward to hopefully participating in the upcoming meetings.